Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out of a Bybit. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video, shall we? Alright, open up your Bybit app as you normally would, and I've noticed Bybit does not have a logout option on my phone. It could be because I'm in a different region, but I've watched a few different videos and some people say if you scroll down here from your home page, you can sign out. Or if you can click onto your profile and then scroll down here, there's a logout button. And also another video states if you click on the gear icon here, scroll down, there's a sign out option. But as you can see on my Bybit app, there isn't. But there's another way you can do this by using your app, using your settings inside your phone. So I've got an Android phone, so what I'm going to do is click in the settings and then scroll down and click onto apps. This will be the same thing with iPhones, but it'll be different. Just go to your app section on your iPhone and now search for Bybit. So here it is here. So I'm going to click into Bybit. I'm going to scroll down, and where it says storage, I'm going to click into storage. What you want to do is click on clear cache and clear data. So I'm going to clear those two. And like I said, if you're on iOS, do the same inside your Bybit settings. And now I'm going to head over to Bybit because I've cleared the cache and data. If I click on the Bybit, it has logged me out. So as you can see, I need to log in now to log back into Bybit. So it successfully logged me out. So hopefully this video worked for you guys. Thanks for watching.